In today's video, we are reviewing Tineco Floor 1S9 Artist Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This is one of the most powerful and smart floor cleaners you can get today, making cleaning faster and easier than ever. Before we start, the link to this vacuum cleaner is in the description below at the best price in the market. The Tineco S9 Artist combines high-temperature 320 degrees Fahrenheit HyperSteam technology with 22 kilopascals strong suction, which means it can melt away tough grease and grime while sucking up dirt, dust, and hair from all your floors. It works beautifully on hard floors, hardwoods, laminates, and multi-surface areas. One of the coolest features is the 180 degrees ultra-slim lay-flat design, which lets you glide effortlessly under beds, sofas, and low-clearance furniture, so no hidden dirt is left behind. The Flashdry self-cleaning system is another game-changer, because it cleans the pipe and brush roller with heated water and then dries everything at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about any wet mess or mold. The DualBlock anti-tangle design keeps hair and debris from clogging the brush, making maintenance super simple. With a 75-minute runtime, you can clean large areas without stopping to recharge, and the HEPA filter ensures the air stays clean while trapping allergens and fine dust. This vacuum is battery-powered, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it perfect for busy homeowners, pet owners, or anyone who wants spotless floors with minimal effort. The setup is simple, the controls are intuitive, and after just 1 or 2 uses, you'll feel confident operating it anywhere in your home. It's also stylish and modern, so it looks great while doing a tough job. Overall, the Tineco Floor 1S9 Artist Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a high-performance, user-friendly, and versatile cleaning tool that makes floor care quick and stress-free. If you want deep cleaning power, smart self-cleaning, and easy maneuverability all in one device, this is the vacuum to consider. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best price and exclusive offers, because this is a smart investment for a cleaner, healthier home.